Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in essentials: your certification, a local guide, and redundant systems, lights, and air. First, assemble gear with a reel and primary line. Rig a DSMB for vertical reference. Once done, set turnaround pressure and agree on depth limits with your team. Make sure everyone knows the entry signals. You'll carry 1 spare light per person and 5 one-hour reserve gas, so you can proceed confidently into the cave mouth. You reel and progress steadily, keeping a continuous guideline between you and the exit. Tie off junctions and attach directional markers for the return. Once moving, maintain neutral trim and gentle frog kicks to avoid stirring silt, and keep 1 to 2 meters clearance from walls. Make sure to follow the 1/3 gas rule, check your gauges frequently, and call out status every 5 minutes. If visibility changes, stop, secure the line, and reassess before continuing toward the lava cast. You arrive at the lava cast by slowing and holding position a meter or 2 back, then gently moving in to inspect without touching fragile formations. Once done, limit your time, confirm turnaround pressures again, and begin a calm, line-followed exit. Don't shortcut across open spaces. If visibility drops to 0, stop, hook a knee on the line, find it by touch, and communicate. Share air only if absolutely necessary. That troubleshooting step keeps you safe while you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.